Yo, what's good, guys? It's Noah Harness here with Grab Battle Presents with another video. And today we are doing a little mini rebuild project. So today I'm taking off my upper and lower A-arms on my 2013 Trx450, and we're gonna repaint them. Let me show you real quick. This red. Went to Home Depot. I'm personally colorblind, but the guy at Home Depot said this was close. Does look pretty close, not gonna lie. So I think it'll look pretty good. Nice fresh red look to it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm gonna show you the whole process of what to do. And now we're gonna take off these wheels. So I decided to flip my quad up on its butt, so then everything will be up close to my face, so I'm not leaning over doing everything, so it'll just be a lot easier for me to work on. So I'm just gonna grab it, flip it up, and everything will be right there for me to work on. That's how I'm gonna grab ours and go. Do that. Here, right, this down. That's what? There's the down.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life.
When you're taking off your A-arms, those little pins in there, hold on, let's let it right in there. In the A-arm, there's little pins. Grab some needle nose and you're able to just grab them and twist them out. They're not that difficult, you should be able to do it. Alright, so we got those pins out both sides, here and here. Make sure not to take out your tie rod one. Your tie rod is down here. So you can get it confused until they're just this one and this one. Same on this side. This one, not this one. Next thing I'm gonna do is the shocks on each side. So we just got out each shock bolt. It's not completely out yet, but it's loose enough to slide right out. So there's one. By the way, that's a 14mm bolt, if you would like to know. And then the nuts holding on the ball joints were, I think, I want to say they were, pretty sure it was a 16mm. Yeah, pretty sure it was 16mm. So now I'm pretty sure these ones are 14mm bolts up here holding on the arms. So I'm gonna take those off now. I forgot to take some before and after pictures, but like here right now you can tell they need some love, you know, they've seen better days. So I get them all painted up, they'll look nice and brand new, so yeah.
I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Well, we ran into our first problem. These bolts can't come up. These bumpers in the way, neither with the upper AMs either. So I gotta take off this bumper and then be able to pull all those off, and then everything should slide out, hopefully. All right, we are back. You can tell I'm in different clothes and it's a different day. So we just got one of these out. I kind of went to town on the Spindle. Not gonna lie. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. This took so long to get out. Like, wow. Way too long. So only got one out and got 3 more to go. So if anyone's trying to figure out how to do this, they make a tool for you to like pop this out. I don't have that tool. So literally you just need to grab a hammer and a little pry bar and just pry on this and just kind of put pressure on it and just tap on it really hard. And then it should just pop out. But yeah, now we're doing the second one. This is about 5 minutes later, not even, couple seconds. And I got, sorry if it's a bit blurry, got this one out. Just tapped it. See, this one isn't as bad. I just tapped it. I don't think I was tapping hard enough, to be honest, on this one. I just kept softly tapping it, and it just looks really bad here. This one, I just gave it a good couple solid taps. It was able to come out. Sorry if the lighting is very bad in here. But yeah, so now we gotta do the top ones, and then sanding, painting, and then yeah. Okay, well, I just got done doing this, the top one at least. It is just, the top boot is just destroyed, so I'm gonna have to order up some new boots. This spindle got just destroyed, just absolutely destroyed. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's got pretty whacked. I beat the living crap out of that thing, and it would not come off. So finally, I got both of them off. Now I'm going to clean up real quick, go inside, grab I got grade 220 sandpaper, and then 320 to get it nice and smooth afterwards. So yeah, I'm gonna start sanding down right now, and yeah. Hey guys, so I just got off the phone with my dad, and I guess I was not supposed to hit here. I was supposed to hit on the collar up here, like on the edges, and it creates pressure and it just should pop it right out. I didn't know that. I wish I would have known that, because my spindle wouldn't be just absolutely destroyed. So I'm gonna have to mess with that. So learn from me, hit from the side on the collar, do not hit the bottom or the top. Well, we've got our sandpaper. I'm gonna grab a little bit of water and start sanding that down. So yeah, got everything off. You guys can probably see it a bit better now. I open up the garage door. You can see yeah. Oh boy, yeah. We did it up good, kids. So yeah, there's that. Make sure we cover all that up when we go to spray paint. There's actually not that much play in this. It's a little bit. Down here, there's a decent amount of play, but there really isn't that much play. It's pretty good feeling, so that's good. I don't know if these are from 2013. I bet they are. I don't think these have been touched. But yeah, doing pretty good. But yeah, gonna have to order up new boots. But my goal is still to spray paint everything. Yeah, and I'll start filming me sanding everything now. Hey guys, so we're back. I got most of the thick stuff off. You know, just a couple bit around here, you know, I still have to get, and just gotta get most of the thick stuff off. So yeah, I've been using 220 grade sandpaper, and then I'm gonna hit it with a 320 afterwards. And then it's close to like 5 o'clock right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it tonight, and I work tomorrow, so I might be able to do it tomorrow. But I do just want these to be all sanded and prepped today, so then I can just paint whenever I want to. I'm nuked, like I am covered. So yeah, it's going pretty well though. Also, one more thing, let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. I think after this, I get all this done, I'm gonna go for a ride. That'll probably be a new video after this video comes out. Yeah, I wanna try to grow the trail as much as we can, and yeah, it's very hot out, and I'm just trying to film as much as I can. So appreciate you guys. Yeah. Yo, what's good, guys? We're back at it. It's probably a couple days later, maybe a week later. I stopped because I was getting tired and just took a break. So either way, it's too hot out in Arizona. It's like 100 degrees, so it's not like I can ride soon. So yeah, we're back at it with these. Started sanding a little bit this morning, getting most of the thick stuff off so then we can paint it. And yeah, hope everyone's day is going well. All right, guys, so got done sanding most of it up. Now I'm just taping everything up. Got the boots all covered up with tape. Got these threads. So with the upper A-arms on the Trx450, there's 2 threads on the upper A-arms that you need to cover. This goes for the brake lines. So just make sure you get some tape in there so the threads don't get all clogged up with paint and stuff. But you can tell everything's all covered up. I'm gonna make, like, they're just roughly covered up right now, but I'm gonna trim them up, make them pretty close so everything will be all good to go. And then I'm gonna go out back and paint everything. Oh, I still gotta cover up this one. Cover up the ends, but yeah, go out back. I'll set everything up, show you guys what I got my setup for, and yeah. All right, well, we're outside now. Got the A-arm sitting out here, ready to get spray painted. I think they're sanded down enough. I hope so. If not, you guys are gonna learn what not to do. So you guys already learned how not to get them off, but I still got them off. But now you guys are gonna find out if this is gonna work or not. So we're just learning today, you know, but you just gotta try, you know. Doesn't hurt to try. I mean, worst comes to worst, I resand them back down, try it again. You know, it's not the end of the world. So we're just trying it out today. Got them hanging on some t-shirt hangers. It works out perfectly, not gonna lie. So yeah, should be pretty good and should go pretty well. All right, guys, so got my red paint all shanking up. If you guys ever want to know, I got this at Home Depot. It's called Poppy Red. It's pretty close to Honda. I'm colorblind, but the guy at Home Depot said it's close, and my girlfriend said it's close, so I'm hoping both of them are lying to me. Let's see if this is right. I hope this goes well. And it's like probably at least 90 degrees out here in Arizona, so these aren't gonna have to sit out here for too long. So here we go. Nice even coating. A little too much. I got a little bit of a run going. Hey guys, so I kind of messed up. Yeah, I put way too much of a first coat on. I got a couple runs going, but it still looks nice, like the red. I'm gonna have to go back over a couple spots, but I do have a couple runs. Not so happy about that, to be honest. I got little one up here. Tell right there. Got a little one down there. But it's all right though, right? We're just learning, so yeah, it's all good. It's gonna wait a minute. It's super hot out, so it's gonna dry quick. I'm sweating out there, as you can tell. But yeah, it's going good. I'll show you guys when it's done and it's inside, and I gotta do these still. So, all right, so we got these painted up. They came out, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Not that good, to be honest. You can tell there's a little bit of black paint, but you know what, it's all right. I think I'm kind of annoyed by it, but it's all good. So now we're working on the upper arms. All right, guys, so the arms are done. They're complete. They look good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys learned what not to do when taking these off. Do not hit the spindle. At that other part, hit it around the top of the collar. And how not to spray paint these. They still didn't turn out bad, but they definitely could have turned out a bit better. But you know what? This is part of it. We just learned. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.